is
but
beautiful.
the added bonus of
Hi everyone, my name is Mary Christie. Welcome to Estate Bride. Come with me as we tour Fearrington Village as a potential wedding venue. One of the gardens, Jenny's garden, it is so beautiful.
This is so cinematic. It is dreamy. This will be perfect for a ceremony. Imagine making an entrance in that space.
It has a working farm, quaint shops, and it has the famous Fearrington House.
our owner bought it directly from them. Now is what we call the village center. So this is where our shops and restaurants and gardens and inn, all the fun stuff's here.
Wow.
Put the bar in the corner there and have some tall cocktail tables, maybe a long table. Around the corner over here.
Okay.
Oh, I have your table in front of the fireplace, and then your other table.
This is a Moka pot. I'm going to use this to make one of my most indulgent coffee desserts. This is a version, a spin-off, or a spin on the Affogato, which is a traditional Italian coffee and gelato or coffee and ice cream treat. But I have my own little version of it that is called the Hacienda Affogato. Okay, so let's begin. With the Moka pot, this is how you brew espresso style coffee.
The Hacienda Affogato blends the traditional Italian affogato with Mexican and Black American Southern culinary warmth and richness. It is an embrace of these cultures together to make this decadent dessert. Instead of the traditional vanilla gelato or ice cream, I chose a richer ice cream that goes to the heart of the Hacienda Affogato, and that is the brown butter bourbon truffle ice cream. The brown butter and the caramel in this ice cream are rich in Black American and Southern cooking, and of course, bourbon comes from Kentucky, and you will have that accent of bourbon taste in the chocolate truffles. We have dark chocolate shavings for the toppings and 2 dashes of canela or cinnamon, mixed with a little piloncillo, also known as Mexican brown sugar, optional, and the final touch is orange zest.
If you like our content, then click that like button and subscribe. And we will see you next week with more Estate Bride. It really is cute. I love it. But this is where you can brew espresso style coffee. Now, it's not officially espresso because of the pressure that it takes to brew espresso, but this comes very close. And Moka pot, the Moka pot was created in Italy in the 1930s by a man with the last name Bialetti. Now you may be familiar with that name because we have the Bialetti Moka pots. Now this is not a Bialetti, but it was so cute that I wanted to get it anyway. It makes about 3 cups, so that's enough for maybe one or two people. But my fiance, he has a full-grown Bialetti. It is big, you know. So he loves his very dark roast, strong espresso style coffee. So he has that. But this is my little bitty thing.